Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we will discuss it is the reactions of alkali and alkaline earth metals. So, basically here we will just study about the reactions, and in simple we will have this comparison about the reactivity of the alkali and alkaline earth metals, that whether the group 1a elements have more reactions or whether the group 2a elements have more reactions. So, the group 1a are called as the simple alkali metals, and the group 2 elements are called as the alkaline earth metals. So when we talk about their reactivity, that what type of reactions do they favor, whether they have oxidizing power, whether they have reducing power, or whether they have the simple reactions with water and hydrogen. So basically when we talk about their reactions, the one thing that we have to keep in mind is their valency, that how many number of electrons are present in their valence shell. So the group 1 elements have group electronic configuration ns1, and the group 2 elements have valence electronic configuration as ns2. So let's have a look on its simple chemical reactions. So before the chemical reactions, it must be kept in mind that how do they present in the nature. So alkali metals, these are the group 1a elements. They are very reactive, and they always found in the combined form. It means they have some combination with the other substances. Like the alkaline earth metals, they are fairly reactive and also occurred in the combined state. So this is the simple their common property, that both are found in the combined state. Then their electropositive character. They are highly electropositive, and the ionized energy values range from 520 to, this is for lithium, and the last one metal which is cesium, it is 376. It's mean the ionization energy from top to bottom there decreases. Then we have alkaline earth metals. They are less electropositive as compared to the alkali metals, and their ionization energy values ranging from 1757 to from beryllium to barium, which is the last one, alkaline earth metal 956. Their ionization energy values also decreases down the group, but they are more electropositive as compared to the alkaline earth metals. Then we have their reactivity, or there are some reactions. So the first one reaction here we have between the alkali and alkaline earth metals with water. So the formula of water we have, it is simple H2O. This is the group 1a elements, and this is the group 2 elements reaction. The first one, they can react with the water vigorously, and all that happens just at room temperature, and they give the strong alkaline solutions and produces the hydrogen gas. Here we have its reaction, in which the sodium metal reacts with the water and produces sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Likewise, we can also have another metal, for example potassium. When it do reacts with the water, it produces the potassium hydroxide along with the production of the hydrogen gas. Then the reactivity of group 2 elements with the magnesium. They react with the water less vigorously, and on heating they produces weak bases, like magnesium on reacting with water produces magnesium hydroxide, and next it produces magnesium hydroxide. Likewise, the calcium reacting with the water, it produces the calcium oxide, and then this calcium oxide on reacting with more water produces the calcium hydroxide. So this is a simple way of reaction of calcium with the water and magnesium with the water. So on the basis of the reactivity of the water, the alkaline earth metals are less reactive and alkali metals are more reactive. So the symbol will use over there this. Then we have its reactivity with the oxygen. This is the alkali metals group 1a. This is group 2a. The alkali metals immediately tarnishes in the air, and they give their oxides which form the strong alkalis in the water. So the sodium with the reaction, oxygen produces sodium oxide, and then with the water it produces sodium hydroxide. This is the simple base. On the other hand, the alkaline earth metals, they are less reactive towards the oxygen, and oxides are formed upon heating. So heating is required. Magnesium reacts with the oxygen and produces magnesium hydroxide. It means the group 1A elements are having more reactivity with the oxygen as compared to the group 2A elements. The third one property here we have is the reaction with the hydrogen. They form the ionic hydrides. Any metal when reacts with the water, it forms the hydrides or hydrogen. So the hydrides of the alkali metals group 1A are ionic in nature and this is at high temperature. So sodium reacts with the hydrogen produces sodium hydride. On the other hand, the group 2 elements they give the hydrides under strong conditions of temperature and pressure, like calcium reacts with the hydrogen and produces calcium hydride. So the reactivity of the group 1A metals with hydrogen is more as compared to the group 2A elements. We have their reactivity with the halogens. They react violently with the halogens. This is about the group 1A, which is alkali metals, and this is about the group 2A, which are alkaline earth metals. So the halogens, when do react with the metals like alkali metal, sodium, they produces the salts. They are basically known as the halides, and they give this all at room temperature. On the other hand, when we talk about the group 2A elements, they react slowly with the halogens and they give their halides like calcium chloride. So the reactivity of group 1A elements with halogens, it is more as compared to the group 2A. And at the end we have its reactivity with the nitrogen and carbon. When group 1A, they do not form nitrides directly, but in turn we have a long way of reactions for their formation. On the other hand, the group 2A elements, they form the stable nitrides when heated with the nitrogen. So magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Then we have reaction with the carbon. They do not react with the carbon directly, group 1A elements, but when we talk about group 2 elements, they form stable carbide on heating with the carbon, so calcium carbide. It's mean the reactivity of here group 2A elements with carbon and nitrogen is more as compared to the group 1A elements. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss it is the uses of sodium, magnesium and calcium in our daily life. For that time you guys keep learning and have a good day.